Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Raiders Atelier channel where I, Paige, am not ready for NaNoWriMo. And I'm gonna give us a pep talk in a 60-second video. NaNoWriMo, it's a happening. Whether we like it or not, it's next week, you guys. I'm not ready. Are you ready? I hope you're ready. If you're not ready, remember, you can still do this. Yeah, it's hard, it's an adventure, it's a challenge, but we are made for the challenge. We can do this. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hard. There are gonna be moments when you feel like maybe it's not even worth it. There are gonna be moments that you don't want to be writing at all. But I'm here before we start this adventure to let you know that it is absolutely worth it. I've written many a manuscript, and most of them you have never seen before. And that's okay. The one thing that every single one of those ideas has in common is I don't regret spending time on them. Each story has been the best learning experience on writing characters, on world building, on figuring out what I like to write and what I don't like to write. And those are only experiences that you get by working on your craft, and this is a great way to do that. And you never know what's gonna come out of this story. My first novel, Confidence, was a NaNoWriMo novel. So whether you are a pantser or a plotter, whether you have a detailed outline or you are just jumping in like me, let's dive into this month with all that we have, and let's see what kind of stories we end up telling. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration, check out all the links below, and connect with the community, and I will see you again next week. Bye everyone!